What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Riker Buff 900 back with another video. I got a package in the mail. All right. I got a package in the mail. I forgot what it is. I didn't order so much stuff, and I know it's something for the Riker. That I pretty much sure it's definitely something for the Riker. So we need to open this up and see what I believe. If I'm not mistaken, it's this Evolution R series plug and play add-on LED lights for the Cam Riker. Aluminum handguards. So you know your handguards on the Riker, right? That's what this is. Let's see, up here. These handguards, you got the little plastic thing in there. You take the plastic thing out and you put those lights in there. You know what I'm saying? Nice little add-on to the bike, basically. And nice little light accent. See right there? Because right now you got a little black thing here. Over here is also filled in with the black. So you remove that and you run the light, put the lights in there. That's another angle. It looks nice. I didn't realize only two though. They should have had, I guess because it's to the side, so you don't need that one. Looks nice though. And it was a cop because it was only $69. So let's see. Oh, okay. Off and on. Yeah, that's nice. The hand guides. I guess that's just showing you how to install. These are two pieces. Remove the plastic, and this here fits in that spot. And there you go. I guess it looks better though on the bike. You know what I'm saying? It was originally $99. It's for $69 on Sling Mods. Like I said, this is not a paid video. I just purchased everything from Sling Mods, and I just like you to see, you know, the name, so you can look up slingmods.com. Hit your Riker, another drop down of the year, and everything will come with the yacht Riker. You see, it was $100, $69 now. And see what's in here. I'll call them back. It's crazy because I put my phone on Do Not Disturb, so evidently that shit don't work. Evidently it don't work. So I put on Do Not Disturb, so why is my phone still ringing? Okay. We don't need that. Oh no. I owe all y'all an apology. This is not that. And that's supposed to be here today also. This is GPS Action Remote for the camera I'm recording on right now is my Insta360 X3. That's what this is. This is something totally different. My bad. Please don't be mad at me, y'all. My bad. My bad. Hit that Google. Insta360. Insta360.com. Okay, here we go. You can go up here to the store. Yeah, they have everything for a bike. Insta, it's great. They have everything for that, for this bike. Accessories. I mean, everything for the bike that you would need, which is great. There you go. $79. The Action GPS remote with an Insta 360. Basically, you can control your 360. You ain't got to be reaching up for it. Stuff like that. It's remote control made for it. I don't know how much you can actually do with it yet, but I will be doing an unboxing now. It's a GPS action remote. Bluetooth 5.0 for rock solid connectivity. Connections between the remote and the camera. It utilizes 3 different GNSS systems to ensure faster search. Right? Oh, here's a video. Let's watch the video. That's good to know.
Important notes. How to pair. Press the power button on the camera to turn it on. Press the power button on the GPS action remote to turn it on. Press the shutter button to choose Pair New on the GPS action remote. This will start searching. Swipe to shortcut menu. Select the Bluetooth remote on the camera. The camera's Bluetooth will search. Select the Insta360 GPS remote that needs to be connected to the camera. Confirm connection. When the camera screen displays connected, pairing is successful. How to use. Mode button. Switch between shooting modes. Shutter button. Control the camera to take pictures and record videos. Click the power button or shutter button to wake up the camera. Requires Bluetooth wake-up function to be switched on. How to install. Fitted to wrist. Pass the wrist strap through the slot until it sticks to the groove. Fit the strap around your wrist. Fitted to a selfie stick. Thread the selfie stick strap through the slot until it sticks to the groove. Install the strap to the selfie stick. Fitted to handlebars. Install and fix the selfie stick strap on the handlebar. Fasten it securely. The strap installation position can be rotated, supporting either vertical and horizontal positions.
All right, so that helped me out. I ain't gotta look at no paperwork now. That's a good thing. That took that right out of the way. Helped me out pretty much. So everything else is, I guess, is self-explanatory to y'all, right? How's this thing made? This is weird. I ain't never seen a box like this. This is weird. How it's coming out. Like I said, this didn't say it would be here this soon. Never said it. Now it does. I don't know if it comes with all these belts and straps either. I guess we'll see in a minute. Let me put my extra eyes on. the real exact size for the remote. Oh, it's small. Definitely small. Has a little weight to it. Look big on the TV. Oh, it do come with straps. Okay. It does come with a strap. I mean, that's good. The one like it reminds me of my wrist, not my handlebars on a bike. I mean, I walked off and forgot it on my bike. It'll be on my wrist like a watch. Definitely that. Yeah. Oh, it comes with two. Oh, it comes with them. Beautiful. The selfie stick and the... Oh, this is beautiful. Okay. Watch one. No, it's too small for the watch. It's probably for the handlebars. But this one could be good. Okay. I didn't know it came with that because it didn't show it, but I'm glad. This is thick rubber, too. Nice and thick. I know they said pass this through here. Do you hear the click? Oh, this is tight, too. Oh, there you go. I thought this would be on my wrist. Just like a watch. I guess I would turn and rotate this way so I can control the camera on my wrist. I definitely been needing this because when I'm riding, I gotta reach up when you ride, which is dangerous. What in the world? That's it? Okay. There it is. It's pretty. I ain't saying not. It's tight. Not too tight, but I guess it'll work. Then you got this one for the selfie stick, which is the stick that's on right now. That'll be the selfie stick. What else is in here? We got instructions that we don't need that anymore. And USB, the Type-C cord. That's good. And like I said, this definitely comes in handy when you're riding. You ain't got to stop. Like when I'm on a bike, I got this tripod on the selfie stick that come with the 360 because I got the motorcycle kit. So that thing is way up in the air. And if I want to stop it or pause it, I got to pull over or pull it down to press the button. Now I can just boop, 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 which is good. So there you have it, y'all. GPS action remote for the Insta360. And the LED light joint for the handlebars, that should be coming any day. I think that was supposed to be here today too. And that's what I thought this was. This is why I don't like I like to open something before I do a video because of that reason right there. But my wife said, no, don't open it. Open it when you do the video. But I ordered so much stuff. I don't know what's going to come first because I checked the track and they said this wasn't coming till a couple of days. But the other thing said it would be here today. Hey, it is what it is. And I'm going to set this up to the camera and go from there. But there's the belt. There's the two. I'm glad it came with both latches. Like I said, $79.99. So if you got an Insta360 X3, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2, the Go3S, I think that's a 360 Go, the X4, the 360 Ace Pro, the 360 Ace, the Go3 X3, one RS, 1-inch 360 edition, and the 1X2 and the 1R, which I never heard of none of those before. But if you got them, this remote will work with it. And like I said, for the price, you can't beat that. Now you got your portable remote that you can use anywhere, anytime for your Insta360 X3. And you go on Insta360 store, and they got a bunch of other accessories to go with it. And this is not a paid video either. But this is where I purchase stuff at, and I just figure it's nice to let other people know we can get good products from and what works and what don't work. And since I lost my GoPro 2 years ago, I bought the Insta360 X3, and I love it. Don't get me wrong, I love the GoPro. I still may buy another one. But for now, I'm happy with the Insta360 X3. I still may buy another GoPro, I'm not sure. But then Insta360 also makes a camera look just like the GoPro. Matter of fact, I believe it's it's on here. Matter of fact, I believe it's on here. Let me see, because I've seen it. Okay. You got the Pro 2, 360 Ace Pro, and 360 Ace. All right, down here you got the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. It looked like a GoPro with a screen on it. Then you got the Insta360 Ace Pro and the Insta360 Ace. Let's go into those and check out right quick. And that's cool. I like that. Honestly, didn't know they made that. So that's like a GoPro. It's an Ace Pro and has a screen. It looks like a flip-up screen. I don't know if it's flip-up or do it a tap. See that? That's nice. Now, what I'll probably do is do a comparison with this and GoPro and see which is better. But I like that it has a screen so you can see. Oh, it's a flip screen at that. I like this already. It flips down. That might be the next camera I get. How much is it? $349. It's like a GoPro. And that's your button. Okay. I can work with that. That might be my next camera to have. So I have two. I could use that one for, I guess we say, vlogging. I have my action camera always used for the bike. I like that camera. That might be my next joint. Yeah. I think that's going to be the next one. And it uses the same mounts as the GoPro, even the 360. The mounts that I already have on my bike, they all work. So I believe that's going to be the next joint. But there it is. Like I said, once again, sorry, I thought it was the other product and it wasn't. And it is what it is. But it's your boy, Riker Buff 900. Can't wait for the season to start. Some states have started already. I'm ready to ride. I'm ready to do my installs, but it's too cold. As soon as it get a little warmer, I'm out there like swimwear. I'm trying to be everywhere this year. All right? So until the next video, Right Above 900, I'm out. Like, share, subscribe, share with your family and friends, and ride safe. Until the next one, peace.